then I've got 2x2 fitness, and this is a great activity for you to use with your students. We do it 1st grade through 5th. And so let's get started. So how does 2x2 fitness work? Number one, each student needs a paper and something to write with, whether it's a crayon or a marker or a pencil. Now, my goal is to finish and complete all of these exercises, and I have to do it with a different partner each time. So I'm gonna find a partner. Maybe we both need jumping jacks. So we would put our papers down, we would count out 20 jumping jacks together, and then we would sign each other's card. I can either put the initials, or you can have them put an X, whatever you want your students to do. And then I would come find another partner. The way that we find partners is we always tell them to go to the middle circle, raise your hand, and then actively look for someone for a new partner. We would then complete another exercise that we both needed. Now, a couple of modifications. Number one is younger students, grades 1st and 2nd. We have them keep the same partner and just work throughout all of the exercises together. That is a great modification that you can do. Also, another tip is make sure that your exercises like jumping jacks, burpees, lunges, any of those types of exercises are either done inside your track or outside your track. You don't want those types of exercises being done on your track, because you're gonna have students skipping and jogging and all sorts of different locomotors on the track. So I've got lots of different versions of this. I've got the regular fitness, indoor and outdoor. I've also got a basketball version, which is great after you have practiced dribbling, shooting, and passing. And then I've also got a Star Wars edition for our May the 4th day. So I'm hoping to also add other ones to this, because I love the student choice that you have, as well as the great communication skills that students are working on. So shout out to Kelly Zerby for this great idea, and make it a great day.